Okay, Lee, I've got a video here for you of the custom NavLight set that you ordered the other day. This is the main circuit board that will, of course, mount inside the plane, and these are your various LEDs. What I've got them plugged into here is one of my little servo testers. I'm using this to provide the signal to the circuit instead of having to have a transmitter and receiver. And let me show you how these work. When you plug this unit in, when you turn the plane on or turn the receiver on, the wingtip lights and the white strobe for the tail are going to come on first. And now it's a little hard to tell the colors here because they're so bright they're saturating my phone. But what you have here are red, the one in the middle is green, and the one on the end there is the white one for your tail cone. These will all come on as soon as the plane comes on. And then as you advance the channel on your receiver, the first thing that's going to come on is the red rotating beacon. And you'll see that it pulses to simulate a rotating beacon. And then the second thing that will come on is the strobe. And you'll see it come on now. The glare from the beacon is kind of making it look like that strobe is red. But let me see if I can separate them here a little bit while I'm doing this. Yeah, there you go. There's your red rotating beacon and the white strobe. And then as you advance the channel on the rest of the way up, you'll see the two landing lights come on. And the phone there is making them look like they come on and then go dim, but that's just because they're saturating the phone and it's trying to compensate for the increased light output. They don't do that when you look at them with the naked eye. Now there's one other thing about this circuit. You'll see on the main circuit board that there's a little push button switch right here. That switch allows you to change to 6 different modes, and the different modes have to do with the speed of the rotating beacon and the number of pulses on the LED, on the strobe. Now I'm going to press it one time and you'll see that the strobe is going to switch to a triple blink. Okay, and now I'm going to press it again and it's going to begin to pulse like that to tell us that we're starting over. So now we're back at mode 1. In mode 1 you have a faster rotating beacon, and then you have 3 strobe settings. That's a single blink. I'll press it again and now we'll go to a double blink. I'll press it again and we'll go to a triple blink. And then mode 4 changes the speed of the beacon to a slower rotating speed, and then you go back to having 3 strobe patterns: single, there's the double blink, and then the triple blink, and then it will start to pulse there to tell you that you're starting over again. But let's say you like this. This is probably the mode that most of the guys like. This has the faster rotating beacon and the double blink on the strobe. About 20 seconds after you select the pattern that you like, it stores it to memory, so that from then on when you turn the plane on, it recalls the last setting and you don't have to go through that every time. And you can change it as often as you want, but it remembers the last setting, so it's more convenient that way. But that's the circuit, and I'm going to upload this to YouTube and send you the link and let you take a look at it and make sure that everything looks okay to you. And if so, then I will run the charge on your card and we'll get it shipped out to you. Thanks a lot, Al.